play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒾𝒶, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisper, and if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. Y'all, do y'all see my decoration? This is so cute, baby. This is screaming spring. Like, look, baby, this is so cute. Y'all know I gotta decorate my background, but before spring, St. Patrick's Day, St. Patrick. And so, you know, what color is St. Patrick's Day? Huh? Did you guess it? It's green. Y'all, I have not did a green unit. Well, like, I have. It was in October. And it was a dark green, like a forest green. Today, your girl is about to do a really bright green. I purchased this unit from Temu. It's been a minute since I've done any color. You know? Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let me go ahead and give you the rundown on this unit and all the details. Alright, so this unit is 28 inches. Lime green. She's 180 density. She's also a body wave. So instead of me talking about her, let me show you her. I also forgot to tell you, she's synthetic. Y'all already know. And here she goes. Oh, y'all. This is lime green. Let me open her. Whoa. Whoa. I don't think I'm ready for this. Oh, whoa. She is bright. Yo, okay. let me show you guys. Oh, don't forget to take the gut out. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Let's focus on this. Wow. Let's get into the details. So she has 2 combs right here on the side. She has 1 comb in the back. She has adjustable straps. Oh, and look at this, y'all. Look at this lace. Oh, look at this lace. I don't know if there's a St. Patrick's Day parade here where I'm from, but if I find out, this the wig I'm taking with me. I'm walking down the road like this with my lime green hair. This right here, this color right here, and my earrings, girl. Marching down the road like this. I'm ready. Let's get this going. I'm about to put my hair back, but unfortunately the way that my life, my job, and everything is set up, I can't wear it. But let's get started. So I'm about to reuse my stocking cap because that's what we do over here. Baby, we recycle. Now I'm about to put my foundation right here. Since it's a 13 by forgot what I said, but this is the lace area.
Straight up.
looks can be deceiving. Tell me, am I your type? My main goal is to please you. What's on the schedule tonight? Not the reason you'll be treated. I hope you have an appetite. So tell me, will you come and spend the night? My love is like, whoa.
Baby, you can't tell me nothing. This wig right here, oh my God, this is a 10 out of a 10 because the color, the lace, everything about it is so beautiful. So y'all already know how I am. I have to have layers in my unit. So I'm gonna cut layers on each side.
When will you come through? Come through. Cause I'll be waiting up right here. Can you bring some Belvedere? So we can pop a cork and cheers. Please have no fear. Yeah. I just wanna love you right. I hope you have an appetite. So baby, will you come and spend the night? My love is like, whoa. My kiss is like, whoa. My touch is like, whoa. My sense is like, whoa. My ass is like,
And boom, baby, do y'all see this final look? Oh, y'all, I am so obsessed because at this point, I can wear any color. Baby, I am wearing a green unit and it looks so good on me. I'm ready for Easter. I'm ready for St. Patrick's Day. I'm ready for spring. Baby, I'm done. Like I always say, if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.
oh.